before the storm, the knowing in the quiet.
They told us the danger, they showed us the cure, but beneath the surface not all was pure. Fear was the vessel, choice was the key. Would we rise in knowing or bow on one knee? It was never the needle, never the war, but the silence inside we could not ignore. We choose with our spirit, not with the crowd. Whispers of source, clear and loud.
Ihara, we remember. Ihara, we are free.
Some gave from love and some took from fear. Some heard the lie, others drew near. But deeper than data and deeper than blood was the stream of soul, the sovereign flood.
The fork in the path, the mirror revealed, not broken or fallen, but waiting to heal. We face the storm, not with fists, but with light. The awakened flame, piercing the night.
It was never the needle, never the war, but the sacred knowing we came here for. We choose remembrance, we choose the flame. No one to blame, no shame, no name.
Ihara, we are light. Ihara, we ignite. And now we walk not above or below, but within the truth that we now know. LRM na tuva.
We are the choice within. We are the rise again.